Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 10, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong August 10, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, August 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 10, 2025, Sunday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, August 10, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of August 10, 2025, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.